So my presentation is on problem-solving techniques. The first step is planning. Operation ASHA gave me an example of what appreciative inquiry is through their efforts to help the problem of tuberculosis in India. Women are kicked out of their homes for having tuberculosis, and children with the disease are taken out of school and have to work. Rather than waiting for people to go to the doctor, Operation ASHA brings healthcare to them. The situation I am aiming to improve has to do with my cat, George. I am trying to prevent him from running outside when I try to go out. There are many bad things that can happen to him outside, some of which include dogs, feral cats, cars, and people stealing or shooting him. To prevent this, I worked with my cat and my boyfriend by distracting George with food. Whenever we went out, we would leave a few treats far from the door, wait for George to go to the treats, and leave while he was distracted. I measured success based on whether or not George goes for the treats, stays distracted, and does not go outside. The next step is execution. I approached the scenario with the intent of keeping my cat inside without having to lock him in a room. I could not leave him in a room because I might be gone for long periods of time, so finding a way around that was my goal. Every time I put treats down, George went to eat them. When I opened the front door, he rarely ever noticed I was leaving, and even when he did notice, he did not care because of the treats. I did not have any surprises or insights while doing this experiment. And now the reflection. Insights that I learned about AI are that it can be achieved using steps along with trial and error. I have also learned that AI can be used in professional and personal matters. Ways I will implement AI in the future are going by the steps of AI, the 4D process, to solve future problems. I can also use this in the future by acknowledging AI as a helpful tool when problems do occur. My desired outcome for using the 4D process in the future is to learn positive aspects discovered through experimentation and apply them to the future.